Good morning students, welcome to the Samta Shiksha Niketan online classes. Today we are going to study the chapter number 2, parts of a plant. In our previous chapter we had studied that plants are also living things like us, and plants are very important for us as plants give us food and oxygen to live. Now we will see the different parts of a plant. The body of plant is divided into two parts, root system and shoot system. The part that grows above the soil is called shoot, and the part of the plant that grows under the soil it is called root system. The shoot system consists of different parts like stem, flower, fruit, leaf, branches and buds. We will see these parts one by one. First part is stem. A stem holds a plant straight. It works as carrier because it carries water and minerals from the roots to all parts of the plant, and it also carries food prepared by the leaves to all parts of the plant. So it works as a carrier. Different plant has different types of stems. Like a neem tree has a thick and hard stem. Therefore, the neem plant is straight. Whereas money plant has a soft and flexible stem. Therefore, money plant is never straight. It is flexible. Some stems like sugarcane store food, and we can also eat this stem. Next part of the shoot system is leaf. Leaf consists of many parts. First part is leaf apex. The tip of the leaf is called the leaf apex. Next part is midrib. The main vein that runs down from the center of the leaf is called midrib. Leaf blade. The flat part of a leaf is called leaf blade. Leaf stalk. It attaches the leaf to the stem. Side veins, several small veins that run through the midrib are called side veins. We know that plants are also living things, so they also breathe. They breathe through stomata. What are stomata? Stomata are small pores that are present on leaves. They help leaves in breathing. We know that mostly leaves have green color. Why? Because a green color substance called chlorophyll gives green color to a leaf, and only green color leaf can make food for the plants. Therefore, leaves are also called kitchen of a plant. The process by which leaves make food for the plants is called photosynthesis. Plants need three main things to make their food: sunlight, carbon dioxide and water. Chlorophyll helps to trap the sunlight, and they get carbon dioxide by air. And minerals and water are absorbed by soil. So by using these things, they prepare food for the plant. We can also eat some leaves as vegetable like spinach, celery, mint, coriander, etc. These leaves are edible, and these leaves also store food for the plant. The shoot system is bud and flowers. A flower grows by a bud. A flower is the most attractive and colorful part of the shoot. Different flowers have different colors, sizes and shapes. For their smell, fragrance, they are used for making perfumes also, because they have a decent fragrance. Mostly flowers grow into fruits. Fruits have seeds inside them, and seeds are protected in a fruit. Some fruits have one seed, like a mango, and some fruits have many seeds, like papaya. There are some seeds which are edible, like rice, wheat, etc. When we sow a seed, if it will get proper sunlight, water, and air, it will grow into a new plant. This process of development of a seed is called seed germination. Now we will see the root system. Roots of the plants mostly grow under the soils. Roots hold the plant firmly to the ground, absorb water, salts, and minerals from the soil, and transport these up to the stem of a plant. Some roots like turnip, radish, and beetroot store food, and we also eat these as vegetables. Now we will see the types of root. First type is taproot. Taproot have a main or central root from which many thin branches come out. Most trees and vegetables like bean, turnip, and mustard plants have taproot. Next type is fibrous root. Fibrous roots have thin branches, roots of different sizes that grow from the end of shoot. Most of the grass and ferns have fibrous root. So students, now I hope that you can differentiate between all parts of a plant and you can tell their importance. Thank you and have a nice day.